Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to close an account on Ziprecruiter. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Ziprecruiter job seeker account, which of course I've done right here. Now I'd like you to know that Ziprecruiter is a job site that aims to match businesses with the right people for their open roles. It's AI matching, finds and reaches out to specific job candidates to apply for your open position as soon as it goes live. So now that we know a bit of what Ziprecruiter is about, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to close an account on Ziprecruiter or let's say delete an account on Ziprecruiter. Here's how you can do that. From your home page, head over to the top right corner of your screen and click on the three dots menu. Now in here, you're going to find profile, resume, job alerts, notification, account settings, mobile app, blog support, and sign up. So go ahead and click on account settings. It's going to take you to the account settings window. So over here, let's see what we're going to do. You're going to see change email, scroll down, you're going to see change password, security activity, download the information, and ta-da, delete account. Now, there's this thing that you'd like to know before you proceed to deleting your Ziprecruiter account. Deleting your account will stop all emails and SMS alerts from Ziprecruiter, prevent you from logging back in, and prevent anyone from seeing your resume and contact information, except for employers of job or jobs that you previously applied. Now, if you create a new account or apply to a new job after deletion, your email preferences will be reset to receive all emails from Ziprecruiter. You can also manage your notification settings by clicking on the notification settings hyperlink. Now, if you want to proceed to delete your account, go ahead and click on delete account button and your account will be closed or deleted from Ziprecruiter. I'd like you to know that Ziprecruiter will be so sad to see you go. But if you're ready to risk all it takes to delete your account, to just give up everything about Ziprecruiter, let's say you're fed up and you're just tired and just want to let it go, just go ahead and punch that delete account button and your account will be deleted. It's that simple. Like, I'll go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.